off so hard. It's looking so damn good. Look at that carbon truck though. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and do me a big favor. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. It does help the channel tremendously moving forward. With that being said, guys, let's hop right into today's video. We changed a few things up on the car. Actually, one particular thing, for now anyhow. We might change a few more things on the car very soon. Just waiting to see what I decide to do, waiting to see what happens. With further ado, let's just go ahead and dive straight into what we did. Well, I'm going to show you. Without stating the obvious, you guys recognize anything that's different about the car. Is there something missing? Is there something added? Now the wheels are still the same, hood's still the same, but when we come back over here, we're missing something rather large. We are missing a massive table, massive wing, and well, we went ahead and added this Anderson Composites carbon fiber trunk. I'm not gonna lie, I really do miss the wing. I've been rocking the carbon trunk for a few days now. I feel like something's missing off of the car. However, it was affecting our performance rather drastically. I haven't really gotten to test the difference without the wing on the car. I'm assuming, I know for a fact that that wing has a lot of drag on the top end, above 100 miles per hour. You can feel it. You can really feel it slowing you down. So that's why we went with this carbon trunk, eliminate that drag. I still have the wing. Whenever a show or something comes up, I can always slap it on. But I'm starting to really like this carbon trunk. I was worried that it wouldn't flow well with the wrap, but it definitely does. I'm happy with it. I gotta give a big shout out to Joe with Unleashed Motorsports. He did sponsor the trunk, so thank you to him. He installed it, he did all the work. Looks absolutely amazing in my opinion, and hopefully within the next couple of days we could go ahead and do some 60 to 130 testing, some 100 to 150, and compare our times. Come on, let's pick up some light. Anyhow, it should be significantly better without the wing. I'm assuming probably a whole third of a second taken off because of the wing, but it's been like 100 degrees out, so I haven't been able to test it, so I really can't compare it yet. But as soon as it cools down, which it should be cooling down in the next 2 to 3 days, it's literally 100 degrees out, and with a Roush, that's not good. So as soon as it cools down, we'll do some passes, compare times, see if it really helped or if the wing wasn't a problem. I'm gonna assume that it was. Did it look good? Yes, it looked fucking amazing. But the carbon looks good too. It looks clean, it looks sleeper, it looks sleek. I'm happy with it. We went ahead and got the one with the built-in duckbill. Looks good. Still gotta get it polished and ceramic coated. How do you guys feel about the flow of the wrap with the carbon trunk? Think it looks good, or should we switch up the wrap? The car did get keyed a while back, so I'm leaning towards switching things up a bit, maybe going back to the stock color. I'm just not decided yet. So this whole fender starting like over here got keyed, and a couple of other places as well. That's not too bad, but it still bothers me. With that being said, guys, that is going to do it for right now. Like I said, within the next couple of days, we'll do some 60 to 130 testing, 100 to 150, and compare the times. With that being said, let's go ahead and start this thing up in our parking garage. Haven't done this in a while. let's go ahead and get out of here before everybody in the area is pissed off. This car is fucking loud, and it is chopping. And there's apartments there, there's apartments over there. Literally apartments all around this parking garage. It's a brand new parking garage. I don't know why we're here. Anyhow, we better get out of here before we get some complaints. Let's go. Did I ever mention it's hot as balls here in California already? Literally fucking 100 degrees in the middle of May. Make it make sense. Well, it's the next morning, or actually a couple days later actually, and it's much cooler outside. I want to say it's like 65 degrees outside. So that means one thing and one thing only. We're going to test the 60 to 130, see how much better the carbon fiber trunk does opposed to that big wing in the back. I'm pretty sure that big wing was causing a lot of drag, as mentioned earlier in the video. So my prediction is probably 0.1, maybe 0.2 seconds faster. Even then, that's a win. I must say, even during regular driving, I can feel a lot less drag on the back. Before, I would literally feel every wind that would come, and you can feel a resistance. That resistance just isn't there anymore. So this should be a pretty significant improvement. The DA is not the greatest right now. It's like 1800. I mean, it isn't terrible for this time of year. But my fastest pass has obviously been made in a much lower DA. I believe it was around 800 or so. So we're gonna see what happens. Maybe we'll match it. Maybe we'll do worse. Maybe we'll do better. We gotta hope we do better though. Seconds. Nothing too crazy though. So it looks like that's about as far as we're going to go with the 60 to 130 testing in this video. I was hoping that the carbon trunk would push me closer to the threes, but I don't know if it's an issue going on with the car. I really don't know. It's honestly probably just the DA being higher and the heat being a little more. When I made that 4.42 second pass, like I said, I was like maybe 35, 38 degrees, somewhere in that range. I don't remember the exact temperature, but it was pretty chilly out, and for some reason I hooked and just went. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what kind of content you want to see. Are you guys bored of the 60 to 130 content? I know you guys want more races. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I got plenty of amazing content coming. Until next time, I'm checking out.